Johnny grew up in Chicago and knew all its streets and alleys, but he had never paid attention to the architecture of the buildings. One day, he noticed an old and abandoned building in downtown area. Curious, he decided to investigate and discovered that the building had been built in the 1930s and had been a great cultural center. It had been abandoned for decades and was about to be demolished to make way for a shopping mall. Johnny was saddened by the news and decided to do something about it. He discovered that there was a community of artists who used the space for art creation and exhibitions. He joined them and started a campaign to save the building. They organized protests and artistic performances to get the attention of the authorities. Johnny and his friends' campaign was successful, and the building was restored and reopened as a cultural center. The city gained a new space for art and culture, and Johnny became known as a defender of the city's history and culture. From that day on, he began to look at the city with different eyes, realizing the beauty and importance of the old buildings.